If you're a gamer, chances are you've gone through a lot of mouse pads in your life as a gamer. Let's just face it, when you're a gamer, mouse pads do not last. They get all flimsy, they get dirty, they break apart, and you end up just tossing those things in the trash can because they're just not high quality made. Well, Corsair's introduced something a little bit different. It's the MM1000, and it's a lot different in many ways. First of all, the surface of it is completely made of a textured surface that's made for picking up your sensor and being accurate on its resolution. So that's something kind of different. There have been mouse pads in the past that are similar to this, but this is their take on this type of thing. Now, what's kind of cool though is it also features wireless key charging built right into the mouse pad, plus all the different types of USB. So it doesn't matter what type of device that you have, you'll be able to charge it one way or another on the MM1000. So with that said though, let's unbox it, let's check it out and see what it's all about. On the front of the box, there's not much. You guys just see it has the nomenclature, the MM1000. I'm gonna go ahead and just pop the cap on here, and then we can see inside, right off the bat, we can see the accessories, all the different adapters and everything are right up here on top. So you get all three. Get these little things out here. All three little adapters. 1, 2, 3, and the dog is pushing me since he's next to me. He's finally waking up. So we get 3 adapters right there. I'm gonna go ahead and set those just off to the side here. And then we have the mouse pad itself. Let me pull this thing out of here. Whew. All right, so what are there? So there's the adapters, there's the mouse pad, there's the manual, more paperwork, a warranty guide. Let me put all this stuff over here so you guys can see it. So all this stuff is all inside of there. And then we have the mouse pad itself. Now you guys can see this surface is very, very durable. I mean, honestly, this thing feels pretty tough. You have a little plug over here on the back right here. This is where the USB is. All the key charging is actually built into the mouse pad itself, so that's pretty elegant. On the back side, it's got a totally non-slip pad, so when it sticks onto your desk, it's not gonna go moving around and sliding on you. You've got your power cable with 2 different USB connections, one obviously to power the unit, the other for the USB pass-through cable. So that's pretty much it. As far as going and the use of it, I haven't actually got that far with it because I just want to show you guys the unboxing and take a first look. But let's go ahead and just peel this tape off of here and check that out. So the MM1000 is also a perfect match for the brand new K63 wireless mouse. It's very, very durable. So obviously this particular mouse pad is not going to break on you. It's going to be pretty hard to break, and it should be pretty durable as well. It doesn't look like the pad itself is actually removable because it's just completely hard, but the way that it's made, it should last for years and years and years. The only thing that might ever break on you, if possible, would be the cable, but since this is a very high quality braided cable, I don't think it'll be breaking on you anytime soon. So these things are about 80 bucks. So if you're looking for a mouse pad that not only has a very nice surface to capture all of your tracking accurately, has key charging built in, and you can charge any other device that has to do with USB, then hey, the MM1000, you might just want to check it out. I'm Eric. You guys have been watching Tech of Tomorrow. Like usual, below the like button, we will have a link to hopefully somewhere you can buy this thing or just check out more information for yourself. But honestly, if you're just looking for something that'll last a long time, even beyond the charging and all that stuff, this is a lot better than your standard mouse pad. There's no like foam or any of that material to roll up and like, you know, sometimes you get a mouse and the mouse pad, it's all rolled up and you try to lay it down and it doesn't even really lay flat. You'll never have any type of problem whatsoever with this. I'm going to be doing a bunch of testing. Let me just get out of camera here for a second. I've got to, well, I'll show it to you guys next, but the next video I'm going to be doing is going to be the K63 and its entire wireless environment. So it involves a nice little thing that you can set inside your lap and put your keyboard in it and your mouse. It fits very comfortably on your lap, so if you want to have a completely wireless gaming system for your living room, it's pretty awesome. But that's the next video. But I want to try this too and see how it tracks. So peace out.